Hello, my dear student. This is your Rahul sir. Again, here I am teach you social study, and today's our topic is forest and wildlife. But first of all, as know, you have to subscribe our channel, like and share the videos, and press the bell icon for the further notification. So let's start our topic. Today's our topic is forest and wildlife. Student, anyone tell me what kind of things we have found in forest? Anyone? Okay, I'm telling you. Uh, we got such as wood, paper, herbal, medicines, and lot of other things from the forest. So forests are very useful for us. As we know, forests are nature's gift to humanity. Forests are home to numerous species of animals, birds, plants, and trees. We depend on forest in many ways. Forests are also plays an important role in soil conservation. As we know, rain is very important for us. Forest also helps us in raining. So, in this way, forests are very important for our daily life. In India, there are four main types of forest. Number one, evergreen forest. Number two, deciduous forest. Number three, mountain forest. Number four, thorn forest. Let us know about their features. Our first forest is evergreen forest. Student, as we see, these forest names evergreen forest means always green. That means in these types of forest, trees are always green in throughout the year. These forests are found in the region of heavy rainfall. So these forests are also called tropical rainforest. Mostly these types of forest are found in Kerala, Karnataka, Odisha, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. The main trees of these types of forest are rosewood, mahogany, ebony, reed, and bamboo are some of trees that found in evergreen forest. The wood of these four trees is hard for making furniture. Bamboo and reed are also found in these are types of forest. Okay, our second forest is deciduous forest. These forests are also called monsoon forest as they found along the wet part of Western Ghats and Himalayan foothills. They cover more area in India than the evergreen forest. Teak, sal, sandalwood, and sesame are the common trees of these monsoon forests. The wood of these trees is very hard and expensive. Tidal and mangrove forest are another types of deciduous forest. The Sundarban along the Ganga Delta is the largest tidal forest in the world. Our next forest is mountain forest. As we see, these forest names are mountain forests. So we know that these type of forests are found in mountains. Mostly these types of forest in found in eastern Himalayas. Their forests mainly consist evergreen coniferous trees. Hence they are also called coniferous forest. Their leaves are narrow and pointed. Example, Deodar and pine trees. On the lower Himalaya slopes grows trees that have broad leaves. That these trees are oak, elder, and chestnut. Our next forest is thorn forest. The thorn forest consists of thorny trees and scrubs. These forests are mostly found in desert part of Rajasthan and in parts of MP and Uttar Pradesh. In this area of scanty rainfall, only thorny shrubs and trees can grow because they require less water. Common thorny trees are kikar, cactus, and babool. As we know, kikar tree bark is used for by leather manufacturers, and babool tree bark is used to make for what? Anyone tell me? For which purpose tree bark is used? Yes, babool tree bark is used for make medicines. Student, do you know babool trees grows up to a height of 14 meters also. Now we talk about our wildlife. As we know, our Indian forests are homes to various wild animals. Student, have you seen these types of animals? There are lion, tiger, rhino, deer, fox. These types of animals you also seen in our forest. So, they are found in different parts of Indian forest, as mostly as like just lions are found in Gir in Gujarat, and tiger found in Sundarbans, and cheetah are found in Deccan Plateaus. For protection of these types of animals, our India set up many wildlife sanctuaries. Some of them are Ranthambore National Park, Sariska Tiger Reserve in Rajasthan, Kaziranga Rhino Project, and Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Our next topic, conservation of forest. Conservation means we have to save the trees. Very good, student. As we know, our population is increased day by day. So for rising population, trees are being cut in large numbers. This resulted in rapid decline of forest. This is called deforestation. So, large-scale deforestation causes soil erosion, landslide, and floods. For conservation of forest, a Chipko movement started in 1973 in Uttarakhand. Student, did you know why this movement is called Chipko movement? Because I am telling you, because the villagers used to hug the trees to prevent their cutting by the men of greedy timber contractors. So the villagers hug the trees, so that's why this movement is called Chipko movement. Laterally, the government and other organizations taking steps to protection our forest. So we protect our forest and wildlife also. Okay, now it's activity time, students. Now here are activity based on this chapter. Can you tell me these answers? Okay, you can try. Here are some MCQs questions. First question is, what is the other name to the tropical rainforest? Anyone tell me this answer? The other name of tropical rainforest is evergreen forest. Second question is, sandalwood is a common tree in which kind of forest? Anyone tell me this answer? Sandalwood. Where we found the sandalwood trees? We found the sandalwood trees in deciduous forest. Question number third. The bark of which tree is used for making medicines? Which tree bark we use for medicine? The answer is babool tree. And the fourth and last question is, cheetahs are founded in? The four options are there: Karnataka, Kerala, Deccan Plateau, Sundarban. The right answer is Deccan Plateaus. Okay, student, our activity is complete. Okay, now bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching my video.